So you can see he has a very short retruded chin. There's also excess skin there, like a double chin. So we're going to advance this with the help of a extended sliding augmentation horizontal and vertical genioplasty, which is going to be permanent. So that's immediately after we've completed with this extra major extended sliding genioplasty, chin advancement by 15 millimeters in the horizontal dimension. It's a permanent safe advancement. We've used plates and screws to fix the jaw, the anterior part of it, the chin, as you can see in the forward dimension. We're going to show you how he looked before, and you can see that he literally had no chin. You can see that. Now this is him immediately. One more time. And I'm going to show you his front view. There's a lot of change in the front view as well. You can see that. You can see this. The entire lower third of the face has been changed, been augmented, improved.